What's going on YouTube world? Austin Lewis here coming to you guys with another YouTube video. And in this episode, I'm actually going to be breaking down for you guys exactly the steps, the tips, and the tricks that it is that you need to do in order to grow massive following on TikTok. And make sure to stay to the very end of this video, because in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys a couple of individuals at the end of this that have gained well over 100,000 followers just by following these simple steps that it is that I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video. And you guys might be thinking, no matter what niche that you're in, whether you're in dance, whether you're in POV, whether you're in business, whether you're in success, whether you're in funny dances, whether you're in comedy, it doesn't really matter. It's all going to be applied to any one of these niches that it is that your TikTok is currently in. And if you guys have any questions below in this video, then make sure and comment your guys' TikTok username and any questions that you guys might have, and I will be going live on one of my TikToks actually answering your guys' questions. So let's jump right into the video. So first thing that you guys need to be focusing on when utilizing TikTok to grow massively, I know you might be thinking to yourself, how the heck am I gonna get 100,000 followers in 30 days like your title of this video? And the first thing that you guys need to be doing is you guys need to be posting trending content. Now, obviously, you guys need to be familiar. I know that one thing TikTok does do and why they allow us to do the hashtag and then the hot emojis or a bunch of other different emojis will pop up because those hashtags happen to be trending content. TikTok actually does that for these creators out here, you and I, to be able to see what content is actually trending and actually make a video somewhat around that TikTok hashtag. And one thing you need to realize is posting original content is not going to allow you to grow. TikTok enjoys trends. Trends are what ultimately grow your guys' TikTok, which then helps TikTok creators. And don't try to create your own trends. Hop on other people's trends. There's a success wheel that's here. Why take proven model successes and recreate that to make it, rather than recreate it to make it better? Why would you create something completely different? If you have a large following on TikTok and you try to create a trend of yours, good luck, right? We see a lot of trends that are trying to be created but end up being flopped. I would just say if you are trying to grow quick as possible on TikTok, then post trending stuff. And what you need to realize when you are posting your video, that in the first 2 seconds, you need to hook your guys' audience. Now, one thing that actually is trending right now is the actual green screen. So again, you've been noticing I actually have a TikTok that just has green screens behind it. Therefore, if I were you, I would make a lot of green screen videos. And when you guys are posting your guys' thumbnails, I want you guys to realize that you need to be in that thumbnail. It actually does a lot better than if you aren't in that thumbnail. And when you guys, second thing that you guys need to be doing on your guys' TikTok when you guys are posting is increasing the engagement, okay? Incentivizing the engagement, okay? That's the real term, incentivizing the engagement. And what that means is not just tell people to go like your video or not tell people to go follow you, but instead of doing that, actually saying, hey, like this video for, if you like money, or comment down below your username if you want to get to 1,000 followers. Something that incentivizes individuals to go ahead and like and comment and ultimately engage on your videos. So just to break down, because I know a lot of you guys incentivizing the content, you guys might ask me questions about content and how often it is that you're actually supposed to be posting on TikTok. I would start out with anywhere from 4 to 6 times a day until you get momentum. Once you have momentum, you go from 6 to 8 times a day. And once you have a lot of momentum, I would be posting right around 10 times a day. You guys heard it, 10 times a day. And not only that, while you are posting those 4 to 6 times a day or 6 to 8 times a day or 10 plus, make sure and add anywhere from 2 to 4 hashtags on every single one of your guys' videos. And lastly, on the content purposes, is make sure that your guys' videos are anywhere from 13 to 17 seconds long. I have found that has been the most viewed and the simplest way to keep audiences actually engaged rather than doing a full 60-second video. Another thing I want to share with you guys is posting times. I would post in your guys' city or state anywhere from 10 to 1 p.m. and then anytime after 7 p.m. I know there's been a lot of conversations that, hey, Austin, I'm not sure if the posting time actually truly really matters. But I truly believe anywhere from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and then 7 p.m. and on. Now, I want you to remember that the times are gonna subject to change simply due to the fact that there's not a lot of kids in school, there's not a lot of people that are actually working right now. Therefore, they are focusing on time in terms of posting, but TikTok doesn't want it to be a time-based platform, it wants to be a content-based platform. So they're gonna be focusing on people and individuals with best content, the best content, to be able to actually grow their accounts on TikTok. And just remember, when you guys are actually posting your guys' TikTok videos, that anywhere from 3 to 4 hours is typically when you guys are gonna have an idea of how many views this video is going to get. If you guys are going to be growing on evergreen content, what evergreen content is, posting a really good video, a really good high quality video, knowing that it should deserve a lot of views, TikTok will push it over the next 24 to 48 hours. In the tier, when you are posting a video, depending on if your video is actually going to pop off, is how many followers are you getting from that video? How many shares are you getting from that video? How many likes are you getting from that video? And then how many comments are you getting on that video? If all of that engagement is incredible, 30 to 40% on that video, then your video will pop off. So the top 3 things that you guys should be focusing on if you are trying to grow on TikTok is 1, posting phenomenal trending content, good, crisp, clean. Take time for each and every single one of your videos. Again, in the mornings, I like to film 2 or 3 TikToks in the morning. And then when I go to lunch, I try to film another 2 to 3 TikToks. And then when I'm headed home, I try to film another 2 to 3 TikToks, which allows me to then post anywhere from 4 to 6 times a day. So number 1 is focus on trending content. Make sure your content is crisp, it's clean, it's good looking. Secondly, make sure you are engaging. Make sure you are engaging with your audience. Make sure that you are commenting back when they comment, because TikTok is really focusing on that. And 3, make sure you're doing the green screen as well as duetting other individuals with high quality trending content. And again, don't duet just some random video, duet a video that is massively popped off. That allows you to be inside that trending topic, that trending sound, that trending person's duet, which then has a lot higher chance to get a lot more followers, a lot more shares, a lot more comments, and then a lot more likes, which is then gonna acquire more followers for you and blow your video out the roof. And something I actually wanna share with you guys is a little secret, and that is reposting. Yes, reposting your best TikTok videos that you have posted is almost a guarantee for them to get a ton of views, not only once, but twice. So you guys have it, you guys heard it here today. These simple methods and these simple tricks that I share with you guys on how to skyrocket to over 100,000 followers on TikTok is right in this video. So if you guys would do me a favor, make sure and share this video with 5 of your friends. That would be greatly appreciated. And if that's too much work, make sure and smash the thumbs up button on this video, because it helps the YouTube algorithm, not only the TikTok algorithm, but the YouTube algorithm, to go ahead and share this video with more individuals that are looking to grow on TikTok and need to hear the tips and tricks that I share with you guys in this video. Now, some of you guys have been asking me about my podcast or my show. Yes, my business partner and I started the A&A show. We have inspired ourselves to bring in all sorts of different guests to go out there and share with you guys a bunch of great content that not only gives you a lot of entertainment, but also gives you guys a lot of value, like is on this channel. We're going to be interviewing guests as people you know, Josh Snow, John Malott, all sorts of incredible individuals on our show. So make sure and go check that out. The link is actually in the description below. Ladies and gentlemen, if you guys have stayed to the very end of this video, I just want to say I appreciate you guys. We are growing every single day. The love and support that I get from each and every single one of you guys is absolutely incredible. I certainly appreciate it, and thank you guys so much for smashing the subscribe button, and welcome to the family. Austin Lewis here saying we'll see you guys in a future video.